Yeah.
I mean, how it's cut into the knife.
Yep.
You say how it's not cut into the
Right.
knife.
They only made one side
But
sharp.
the knife has a bevel.
Oh,
from
yeah,
here
I
to
see
there.
it.
You see this?
Yeah. Got a nick. Sharpen a different one then.
No. This one's, if you'll touch it, you can feel the jaggedy. Right? That's good. You feel that?
Yeah.
Ain't supposed to be there.
Oh, it's not?
So what you do is, you pick it up, that's laying flat here. You pick it up to this bevel. Lay it nice and flat. Very, very good. You do that once or twice.
That way it'll make it a sharper steak knife?
Shoot.
I didn't know you could do that. That's cool. Now what are you doing, that little edge of the bottom?
It's got a nick in it. Trying to take the nick out.
I'm rough with my stuff.
Well,
You never...
this will take the nick out. I almost got it out.
Oh, I see.
But I have changed the bevel on it.
This is just sharpening a steak knife that is serrated, and we didn't know. I didn't know that could be done.
Right here.
Now with the stone, you can do it on the stone too. My goodness, I didn't know that. Or just that part.
It's this part.
Just that part.
I'm just trying to take the nick out. It's going to take a couple of sharpens. Nick's almost gone.
Shit discontinued on the last video. I gotta